The ZANU-PF gravy train, no permanent seats, just temporary tickets. Azvipere mushe panapa vanhu vaya vachidescribe the ruling party panguva inoi ewa ichinzi it is the gravy train, ichinzi anytime shogona kungobvondoka, so vanhu vese vanenge varimo be warned. Panapa this is a stern warning yabuda ichitaurwa navakomana the commentator aiwa pasocial media yendo aiwa yema opposition leaders vanhu toemera naadvocate Nelson Chamisa uya panapa vachitaura chokwadi sezvachiri kuti yes you might be relying to the regime kunyatsogena mabenefits but be warned one day it can derail. Sana mina mashuka budanyira wafana upload bo subscribe or like out on the bell kuti mina pana budanyira chiti the ZANU-PF gravy train where the ride is smooth, the pockets are deep and the campaign never stops flowing. But here is a catch. There is no such thing as a lifetime ticket. Just as Jonathan Moyo, Augustine Chivuri, or Josephus Kasukwere, yesterday's kings of corruption are today's exiles, learning the hard way that loyalty in ZANU-PF lasts only as long as you are useful. Once you are no longer serving the cause, you are thrown off the train like a used up bus ticket destination, self-imposed exile, or a mysterious accident. To those still enjoying the ride, you are not special. Your turn is coming. The chef will smile at you today and plot against you tomorrow. That tender you stole, that mansion you built, that offshore account you stuffed, it won't save you when your time is arrived. So enjoy the caviar while it lasts, comrades. But remember, the gravy train has no brakes, and one day it will derail. Just make sure you are on and board when it does. Tomashka blanyo kwa panapa kunzi aiwa panguva inoi aiwa chakachaya vatikona kuti the unrest iri kuitika aiwa the regime panapa vano yachirelata aiwa kunana Josephus Kasukwere and the likes vanhu vaizikana kuti aiwa big fish at the ruling party ZANU-PF, but when the turn comes aiwa inongokusvipa. Panapa iwarning iri kudziwa vakomana panguva inoi vangava vachishandiswa the regime, vangaredzwa nemazita avo vata sana Chivhayo, vakomana vana Garwe and the likes vari kudziwa panguva inoi kuti aiwa you may feel comfortable zvinoita singise zvakanaka but anytime aiwa it can derail ubva urashirwa kure zvako. Tudze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.